Welcome to Celebrity Jeopardy! Rock and Roll Edition, where some of today's biggest music stars compete for their favorite charities. Let's meet the contestants. Dave Matthews of Dave Matthews Band. Dave, welcome to the show.
I am glad to be here.
Fantastic. Next up, Icelandic sensation Bjork.
Sometimes when I look at my veins in my hands, they remind me of these two snakes that laugh.
Beautiful. And our final contestant on Celebrity Rock and Roll Jeopardy, Sean Connery.
We meet again, you logger-headed, tickle-brained pumpion. I cut an album of filthy limericks just so I'd be eligible. There once was a man named Trebek who had the world's tiniest...
Enough. Okay. Yes. Let's just get this over with. Here are the categories. They are potent potables, countries between Mexico and Canada, members of Simon and Garfunkel, I have a Chardonnay. If you choose this category, you automatically get the points, and I get to have a glass of wine. Things you do with a pencil sharpener. And finally, toast. Mr. Connery, you select first.
Wow, that's a nice jacket you're wearing, Trebek.
Well, thank you.
Is that wool? It must have been expensive.
Well, no, actually, it was quite reasonable.
Oh, really? Oh, where did you get it?
This place called Stearns, down on 14th.
Stearns. Ah, well, I'll have to check it out.
Well, you should ask for Gary and tell him I sent you.
Well, I'll do that. That sure is a nice jacket. One more question.
What is it, Sean?
Do they make them for men?
Let's go with toast for $600. And the answer is, this is the thing that becomes toast. Dave Matthews,
What?
did you ring in?
I did it. Guilty as charged.
Do you have an answer?
No, I don't.
Bjork, this is the only thing that becomes toast.
Everything is music. When I go home, I throw nickels into the oven, and it's music. Crash, boom, bang! Ching, ba, cha, ching.
Wow. The answer, of course, was bread. Let's go to members of Simon and Garfunkel for $200. Of Simon and Garfunkel, the one that is not Garfunkel. Bjork.
Sometimes, when I am putting oranges in a circle, I think of my thoughts, and they make me laugh. No?
Are you Icelandic or retarded? Sean Connery.
Can you repeat the question?
Of Simon and Garfunkel, the one that is not Garfunkel.
I Garfunkeled your mother.
Please. Dave Matthews.
He wakes up in the morning, born living and he's rolling.
Wrong.
Oh, sorry. What is? He wakes up in the morning.
Bjork.
This buzzer is musical. Everything is musical. Buzzer, buzzer, knock, knock, slam, slam, tap, yo, chum, ba, dun, chow, wow, buzzer.
And Mr. Connery, you're bored.
I have a hard-on for 600.
I don't believe this. Where did you get that magic marker? We frisked you in on the way in here.
I didn't have it in my pocket.
Oh, that's disgusting. Please.
I bet if you frisked me, you would have found it.
All right. That's enough.
Because
That's
I
enough.
was keeping it in my butt.
Okay. We get it. We got it. Loud and clear, Sean. We get it. It's time for Final Jeopardy.
And so this was the Final Jeopardy. And what a ride it has been, from Burt Reynolds to Minnie Driver. But boy, oh boy, oh boy, those celebrities did not know the right answer to any of your questions.
No, they did not. They were very stupid.
Well,
You got that right.
well. 2 Trebecks. I feel like I'm in a Raisin Bran commercial. 2 scoops of fruit.
Back off, Connery. I don't have to take that from you.
I guess it's true. Old married couples do start to look alike.
Okay, please. From all of us to all of you, good night.
Good night.